Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. Last days of Ramadan, heart sings and body is saddened. For month of Ramadan now leaves us abandoned. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. The friends of Ramadan are weeping excessively. The friends of Ramadan are weeping excessively. Hearts in turmoil, soul and body grieve immensely. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. Al-Firaqu wal-Firaq, O the guest of Almighty Rahman. Al-Firaqu wal-Firaq, O the guest of Almighty Rahman. Farewell to you, O the blessed month of Ramadan. Farewell to you, O the blessed month of Ramadan. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. Who should we confide our sorrow to? Who should we confide our sorrow to? Ya Rasulullah, see, Ramadan is going to be end. Ya Rasulullah, see, Ramadan leaves us away. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. Muslims bid it farewell, all weeping. Muslims bid it farewell, all weeping. Now you are only a guest for a few moments leaving. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. Wishing his Attar that in the year coming. Wishing his Attar that in the year coming. Ya Rasulullah, Ramadan in Medina he is spending. Oh my beloved Prophet, Ramadan in Medina he is spending. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end. Ramadan is going to be end.